I'm Shaira, and in this video I'm going to share to you on how to plan effectively. Planning is one of the fundamental steps that is necessary for you to get to point A to point B. Planning to taking action. Let's dive in with the 5 tips. Number 1 tip is that you need to review and reflect your past goals. You need to review your past accomplishments so that you will be guided to your next step. Ask these following questions. How do I envision myself? Is my long-term goal aligned with my vision in life? Are my accomplishments related to my long-term goal? How can I accomplish it according to the way I envision it? What are the tasks that I felt stuck? How can I avoid being stuck? What are the skills that I need to improve or to master in order to accomplish a task? What are the tasks or goals that doesn't spark my interest? What are now my top 3 or 5 priorities after I reflect and review? How can I execute my plans for my present priorities? These are some of the questions that would guide you in order for you to review and reflect your past experiences. Some people thought that this step is not necessary, but it is a fundamental step for you to be guided in order for you not to repeat your mistake, waste time, and to save your energy for important tasks. Step 2. Set your new goals. Write down 3 or 5 goals that you wanted to accomplish that is aligned with your ambition in life. It could be personal or career related, but you can do both so that you would have a balance in your personal and career life. Because it is very important to have a healthy lifestyle so that in the long term it would help you to be more effective and efficient. Step 3. Set the schedule. After the step 1 and step 2, it's now time for you to write down all the tasks that you need to do that will lead you to accomplish your long-term goal. After that, you schedule all the tasks, you write it down, you plug it in your calendar, planner, whether it's digital or analog. Number 4 step is that you take action and keep track of your progress. Planning wouldn't be effective without taking action. Always remember that you need to be committed on your plans and the way you envision yourself, because it's only you who knows who you want it to be and who will make your vision come to life. Number 5, evaluate monthly and quarterly. This goes back to the first step. There are some questions that I've given to you, but you need to modify it that would suit to your monthly and quarter progress. Let me know in the comment section below what you've learned from this video, and see you in the next video about how to prepare and what are the benefits of planning for a